Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix the PayPal error messages when trying to transfer money. So you may see an error message on PayPal when trying to transfer money, and here are the most common error messages and what they could be. So on the first error, which is you're transferring more than weekly limit allows. So try a smaller amount. So to see your minimum or maximum transfer limits and rates, you have to visit their PayPal fees page. So in there, you will see a lot of informations about the weekly limit and also the maximum. So for this one, we're not able to complete this transaction at the moment, and we can't complete this transaction right now. So there may be a limitation on your PayPal account that prevents the transfer. So you have to remove the limitation to restore your full account functionality. So your debit or card account may not be eligible to process the instant transfer. So you have to select a different bank or card that supports the instant transfer from PayPal. So the information you entered when linking your bank account doesn't match your bank has on file. So you have to double check your bank information, and if the existing information isn't correct, then please remove your bank account and link it again. So if the transfer still doesn't go through after you've taken the troubleshooting steps above, then you can try these alternative options below to transfer your money. First is link an eligible debit card and try the instant transfer. Second is you have to link a bank account and then try instant or standard transfer. You could also get a PayPal debit card for direct access to your PayPal account balance. And lastly is to request a check to be mailed to you. So if you were able to request a transfer but it's showing up as pending, normally it just needs some time or some additional time to go through to their internal review. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.